Hello everybody, it's Dahlia and welcome back to another video, guys. Today's video is going to be a package that I received from Luxury Scent Box, and basically their fragrance, and I'm just really excited, guys, to show you and what I like about it. So I'm really excited about sharing my thoughts about this fragrance that I received, and I hope you and your family are doing well and safe out there. Yeah, if you guys are new to my channel, hello, my name is Dahlia and welcome to my channel, guys. If you guys are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe down below. Just hit that red button and notification bell so you won't miss any videos. That's pretty much it, guys. Let's go ahead and start with this video, shall we? So I'm going to show you the inside of the package and what is LUXSB. So basically it's abbreviation, but it stands for Luxury Scent Box, and basically their fragrance, and it comes with a little nice tube travel so you can take it with you anywhere you go. And I'm one of those girls, I like to carry bottles body spray or a bottle of fragrance. I like to carry like the roller perfumes, or if they have like a mini travel fragrance, then I will definitely buy it. This card, so basically it says, welcome to the LUXSB and thank you for becoming a member. Matching with your perfect scent of your fragrance at a time, sending, sharing a passion for scents in from California. So yeah, that's what it looks like. And it kind of tells you how to open and close your tubes on your twist to open so you can spray, and then twist to close so you're done spraying. And then to basically refill, you kind of pull the glass up, which I'll show you, and then you can also replace it. But yeah, I think this is really cool, and they do have men's and women's fragrance, not just women's, and they have so many like high brand fragrance, and I'm just like shocked about it. And I always want to try certain brands, so I kind of went to Sephora and Ulta and kind of try on fragrance so I can see which ones I like so I can get it. They sent me 3 fragrance. You have the option to pick 3 fragrance of your own. If you're not too sure on the scent, I recommend for you to go to Sephora, Ulta, just to get an idea, or you can always look at the comments as well. $15 for you to you'll pay every month, but with a discount 30%, you will you can apply that on your card and you will only get it for $10. You get to pick 3 of your fragrance of your own, which is super amazing. And you can, they have so many fragrance on their website, which looks like it's black and it's like a gold, and this is luxury scent. And when you twist this up, you can spray, and then you lift this up and you will have your perfume. This up and you pull this tube, you have your perfume, and it tells you what it is. So I picked out the Dolce Gabbana light blue. I always wanted this perfume. I always see it like at TJ Maxx and Ross, but they're always sold out. Every time I look at it, it's like, should I get it? And then the next day I go and it's gone. So I was like, great. And it's only like 29 bucks, which is not bad. So I'm gonna go ahead and, I think it's 39 bucks, but I'm not too sure. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray this. It smells so amazing. I love the smell. This smell has like a very courtesy, like orangey smell, and it tells you the ingredients, I believe. It does not, but it comes with this tube, which is, and it says Dolce Gabbana, and it smells so delicious. I always wanted that brand, and now I have it. Now I know it smells so good. So now if I see it in the future at Ross, Marshalls, or Burlington, I'll definitely get it. So the next one I picked out was and they're all the same package, black and gold. I love black, matte, and gold, so that is my favorite. So I'm really happy with the package. And then when I lift this up, I got the Juliette Has a Gun, Not a Perfume. I've never heard of this brand, and I wanted to try it, but when I saw it online, it was like really expensive, and I heard some good reviews about this. Nice. Again. Okay, this one's not really strong. I expect it to be a little strong. Smells like floral, but not that floral, but it smells really good. I'll put the ingredients up here. You lift this up. This one I got the Lancome This one smells so good. I smell it at Ulta Beauty and it smells so good. It's a little strong, but it smells so good. And it lasts super long. This one I definitely keep in my purse, and I spray it like a couple times and it lasts me the whole day. And I get so many good compliments with this perfume, but it smells so, so good. I love it. I love the smells. It smells just amazing. I love it. Contains a 0.30 fluid ounce, which is not bad. Got the Lancome. The Juliette has a gun, and I got the Dolce Gabbana. So we'll get like $10 for every month. So I think it's great, honestly. You get 30 fluid ounce, and I think this is great to keep in your purse when you're traveling. If you don't want to carry your own perfume, you can definitely carry these with you. And it smells so good. I love these two. These two are my favorites. The Lancome and the Dolce Gabbana. This one, I wasn't too sure. I read the comments at Sephora and I heard so many good things, but I don't know. This one smells okay. And they do last and they smell so good. So I got 3 and they're really, really amazing, guys. Perfumes, if you go on their website, and they have so many selections to pick, women's, men's. I think it's just so amazing. And yeah, I wanted to get the Gucci one, but they were sold out, so maybe next time. And honestly, I think these type of fragrance tube, I call them tube, but I think they're really like convenient. Like honestly, all you do is like, it's already sealed and closed, but when you twist this, you lift this up and you can add a refill, or you can like switch it out. I think it's very convenient for it to travel, to keep in your purse like every day. Sometimes you forget to step out. When you step out, when you're in a hurry, you forget something like perfume, spray on yourself, body spray, whatever. I think this is great to keep on your purse just to make sure you smell some good, you know? Smell good. But yeah, I keep those in my purse. This is really convenient. I really like this a lot. So many perfumes, guys, and I'm just so excited. I'm gonna give one for my mom so she can have one in her purse when she forgets to spray herself. But I just think it's very convenient to have in your purse. I mean, for $15 every month is not bad at all. Okay, guys, so that is pretty much it. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.